Yo. Thanks for logging into the Mr. Show. No long talking today, man. Let's just get right into it. All kind of things, all kind of reactions from Jamaica to Canada. Let's go.
A lot of you niggas walk around flattered without realizing she ain't want to fuck you till she saw Shorty fucking with you.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
You know that, right? Like, she ain't even want you. Like, you wasn't even her razzle-dazzle. Like, you wasn't even her cup of tea until she seen your bitch. Remember that. Sometimes it's never about you, bro. You're just such and such's boyfriend. You're such and such's boyfriend. Remember that.
Okay. Back in Jamaica now, Jamaican crocodile.
What's up? No, the boat.
Watch ya.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Come, my friend.
Listen to this man talking to the croc like they're brethren.
Make him move from side of me.
No, man, all right. I'm finishing by me. I go, yeah, friend.
The girl's like, make him move on the side of me.
Yeah, but we have a calico run up there. Me never know you come here down here, but you have to explore, man.
Crazy.
Him not come down here, no. Him live higher up.
That's crazy. Post-flood or after the flood, before the flood, I'm not sure. But this one here called the Walk of Shame.
He needs some milk.
How are you? So you're there with my wife?
Which wife? I work from the corner and say,
Work, and I'm name Bunny. And I'm name Bunny, so why not Kuba hide? When feed chicken, no chicken no down there, so why am I feed? Hold on, so why am I doing chicken? I feed chicken them. How you say, I don't want to know who you? That me ask you, you who? No, you is who, sir? No, me not know, me just, no, hold on, me not do nothing. Me just want to know, what your name, sir? You're there, me yard, just so, where your name? Where there, my wife, I do?
which wife?
Well, easy enough, me not do
Fair enough. What are you doing with my wife here? What's your name?
nothing.
Go for yourself.
Tamar, me not doing nothing.
Watch Tamar now.
Who?
Mr. King.
Oh, Mr. King. Are your name Bunny King? Okay.
So
Good.
nobody can call me do nothing.
Oh, you might help you do nothing. You know, take a video, sir? Your name Bunny, me ask you for your name Bunny. Is your name Bunny? Is your name Bunny, sir? Hold on, Tamar. Why you carry me?
You know, easy that anything come up to come with the signal, you know, easy.
So when name?
Why you help me?
What name? What is his name? What name? That me ask you. Eh? Okay, so you're there with my wife, not true? All along me I hear about it. Now is the time. Miss you. Okay. Yeah, man. Me just want to know, say, are you Mr. King? In Tamar? This is the yard, though.
Yeah.
This is what you're here doing.
Why you give me? When last I rock, give me $1.
Listen.
No. Spray.
Spring, come spray. Huh? Spring. Oh, no, James, on your phone, come take a picture, man.
Yo, James, I lay back, you know, James don't want to get involved.
He needs some milk.
Let's go. This is crazy.
All right, you know, you lie down, sit down.
You got. Why nobody ever asked baby daddies, why'd you get her pregnant? Why is it always to the baby mamas you chose?
Oh, God. Just to sum it up to me, women control who has intercourse and men control who's in relationships.
Him. Bitch, I ain't choose that motherfucker. I was just laying down being nasty, and he got me pregnant. Don't you think it's more like he chose us rather than we chose him? But that goofy ass bitch, she out here trying to find another nigga to take care of my mother, although I'm not taking care of my mother bitch. But nobody ever says, why'd you get her pregnant? Why did you? Because men can control where they release. Or if he's on top of us and he's stronger than us and he's really digging in there and we push him off, not when we push him, it's like we just push a brick wall because then he stays there. And he's like, then when he goes, Your case is dismissed.
I'm not doing that, babe. I'm sorry.
What do you mean?
All right, so she's not willing to delete the ex-boyfriend. She keeps on texting the ex-man and, you know, cares about what he does and where he is, and she wants him to see her, and it's absolutely crazy. Let's go.
What you mean? Why would I want? I don't want to do that.
You just gave me reasons. Listen.
But listen, you gotta think about it. We had history, right? And if I block him, he's gonna be like upset. He's gonna be worried and wonder where I've been at, what I've been doing.
Why? Oh my gosh! Why the are you worried about what he's gonna be worried about?
What you mean? That's my ex.
So what?
If it's my ex, why wouldn't I be worried? Of course, I still care. I still care. Like, I mean, I don't care about him, but like, you get what I'm saying?
Are you okay?
Shut up, babe.
Listen, if you're not gonna block him, I'm not gonna be in a relationship with you. Why would you even responding to a message that? First of all,
babe, I just don't feel like we're grown enough to not like. We don't have to block each other's exes. Like that's corny to me.
Shut up. Listen, I never said that from the jump. You gave me a reason to make him want to get blocked.
Okay, I'm not going to block him though, even if you say it.
So you're texting him though.
I don't care. I'm not blocking him. I'm sorry, because I don't want him to be worried, trying to figure out where I've been at, what I've been at. Like, I still want him to see. As a matter of fact, it's not even like that. I want him to see us. I want him to see how
now you want
I
him
got
to
me
see
a
us.
good nigga. I got me a, like,
you about to lose a good
better than him. I'm not losing no nigga first off. I'm not losing no nigga, so don't say that. Don't even wish that.
I'm gonna tell you this right now. If you can't block him right now, I'm gonna have to go drop you off home.
I'm not blocking him. I'm not blocking him.
All right, cool.
I don't care. So I don't know what you about to do because I'm not blocking him. I don't care. I love you, and I don't love him anymore, and I'm not blocking him. Like, what's the point? What is it gonna do?
What is the point of you keeping him?
That doesn't mean he's not gonna still.
You want him to still text you and stuff and see your stuff for what?
I don't want him to text me, bro. Like, now you're about to get me mad, bro.
I'm getting you mad.
Yeah.
Now he's getting her mad.
Because I never told you to block your ex. Like,
right?
what?
Because I'm not texting my ex.
It don't matter.
I'm not responding to her messages or
story
swipe.
I'm not blocking.
I don't care if you just said thank you.
I don't care. He needs to still see what the fuck I got going on. He needs to see how he lost out on a bad bitch. What you talking about?
You're responding thank you with a heart for what?
What you mean?
What are you responding for? That's your ex.
Okay, I won't respond anymore, but I'm not blocking.
No, if you can't block him, then we're done. I'm telling you.
I'm not blocking him.
Okay, well, all right, so we're done. I'm gonna take you. I'm gonna take you home. Yeah, of course. I'm gonna take you home, and you're gonna have to figure out what you're gonna do with your ex.
All right. This is why I'm definitely not blocking him. Okay. If you want to break up with me just because of that, I'm not blocking him.
I'm not gonna argue no more. You already showed me your true colors. You a big ass red flag.
Red flag.
Anybody else would say the same shit.
It don't matter, bro. I'm not blocking him. Like, what the fuck?
Okay, all right.
He's not bothering you. He didn't text you. Like,
he texted you and he said thank you.
It don't
so
matter.
what?
I'm not blocking my ex. I don't.
When was the last time you was intimate with a guy?
Okay. On to Kendra G. A lot of people are showing some shade on Kendra G, but so let it run. It was entertaining. I like Kendra G's show.
You don't have to answer.
Okay. I said I was gonna be honest when when you asked this question.
Don't answer.
Today.
Oh my gosh.
Who'd you have sex with today?
Somebody that I'm dating.
So you're dating somebody?
I'm dating.
So you're looking for more people to date?
No, I'm looking for Mr. Right.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
So dating doesn't become Mr. Right? It doesn't have opportunity?
Mm-hmm.
So you're dating a person right now?
I'm dating people right now. Dang, I hope it's not my wife.
Wait, who was that in the background? We saw a guy. Who's that in the background?
Oh, say less.
Who's that in the background? Speak. You can talk. You've been talking to me the whole time.
I told you who it was.
That's the guy you had sex with today? So the guy you had sex with today is in your house and you're on my show looking for a new guy?
The guy's like, oh man.
Ain't no way. Ain't no fucking way. To tell you that I'm single, and if I find
you're on my show to look for a new guy because that's what the show
men
is about.
do it too.
So
no, I'm on the show just to put myself out there. Yes.
Yeah, you're on this show to meet a new guy. That's what the show is about. So you want to meet a guy while you have the guy you slept with in your house. What kind of quality man you think is going to hit you up?
I'm just being honest.
I'm being honest too. What kind of quality man you think is going to hit you up?
I don't know. You tell me, Kendra.
Not one.
Okay.
A man will hit you up that want to have sex with you, but not a man that's going to take you serious. Absolutely not. There is no man that's watching this right now, a quality man that's going to hit you up and take you serious with the guy you slept with this morning in the background while you on this show.
That's why the lady is a tramp.
But you're gonna have to own up to the fact that you got a lot of stuff to get together. Very trifling. If you want to, and if you want to attract a trifling guy, then so be it. Give him your Instagram page or your Facebook page.
So I do want to know what makes me trifling for.
You're on this, okay?
This guy is not my boyfriend, and he knows that.
Yeah, you had sex with him today. You think that makes it sound even better?
Damn. Hey, what's good, mama? Let me get your number.
No, we're good. I have a boyfriend.
You got a boyfend? Shit, what about your friend? You fine too. Nice to meet you, baby.
Nice to meet you. No.
What you doing?
He was literally just trying to holler at me.
You got a boyfriend too?
No.
You free? Let me get your number.
We not.
Yo, what you doing? She was interested. That's crazy.
Did y'all hear about the story? Did y'all hear about the story? Well, here's the story, right? This is 31-year-old Zakina Man Clown Thompson, a nail tech from Queens, New York. Her boyfriend at the time was cheating on her with this woman, this 23-year-old woman. She don't look 23 to me in this picture, but that's either here or there. She looked 38. But anyway, the boyfriend was cheating on Zakina Man Clown Thompson, right? And Zakina hit the girl up on Facebook and Instagram, and the girl ignored her. So she booked a flight, okay, a JetBlue flight. Zakina Man Clown Thompson booked a JetBlue flight. She could at least book a Spirit flight or a Frontier flight. But anyway, booked a flight from New York to Florida, to Fort Lauderdale, Florida, to confront this girl. Oh, I almost forgot, guys. Zakina Man Clown Thompson was 2 months pregnant at the time. So she flew JetBlue from New York to Fort Lauderdale to confront this girl 2 months pregnant. So it's 4 o'clock in the morning, and knock at the door is Zakina Man Clown Thompson at this girl's Tamarack apartment. And being from Broward, I'm from Broward County. I grew up close to Tamarack. That apartment complex, I've seen it before, and I think that's a gated apartment complex. I know it's gated, so how did Zakina Man Clown Thompson even get in the gate? But anyway, knock at the door is Zakina. Open up, it's me. The girl's sleeping. The girl's like, what's going on? So the girl opened up the door, and there's Zakina. They go back and forth. They start fighting, and Zakina Man Clown Thompson end up killing the girl. She stabbed her in her stomach. So after Zakina Man Clown Thompson realized that she killed the girl, she was like, oh shit, just murdered her. So I'm gonna put on her clothes and clean up the evidence and throw the evidence away. Because I'm a crazy ass bitch. I'm a crazy ass, male-centered ass bitch. And now Zakina Man Clown Thompson is charged with first-degree murder. Zakina Man Clown Thompson, you love man like dog. Someone to love man like dog. All this for little piece of body. All this for cocky. I just knew that Zakina Man Clown Thompson was Jamaican. I just knew it. I knew it. But Jamaicans, we're not claiming her. Bahamians, do y'all want to claim her? North Koreans, do y'all want to claim her? Because we're not claiming her. We are not claiming her. But whenever I hear about stories like this, and I might sound a little perverted saying this, I always think to myself, damn, is the pom-pom or the buddy that good that you are willing to for, like, you're willing to kill somebody else because of it?
Bro, it's the culture.
So as a Jamaican, do you eat pom-pom?
To be honest with you, you gotta understand, we Jamaicans, bro, it's the culture. For real Jamaicans, man, bro, we don't even try to indulge in those conversations. It's just like being homophobic, where, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, those conversations is just like.
So why do you think the culture is that way?
We don't know where it started from back then, but we grew up, our grandparents and everybody never be on that shit, so we just live what we learn. That's just it. Maybe if we was born in America, we would think different though.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah, most because y'all be crazy.
My little brother Luca, like, he helps me like film like stuff for reels and like stuff with the
Your
horses.
social media content.
Yeah, he's awesome. We like hang out a lot. He's like my best friend, so it's nice having family that is supportive and not like.
Oh, you are so dumb. You are really dumb, for real.
You must be out of your ass mind. There's no way me I eat that. A Jamaica me come from, me nah nyam that, no matter what. But guess what, people? The more we try to separate ourselves, is the more we see that we are alike. Did you know that the Taina Indians which are indigenous people on the island of Jamaica, right? Before the colonizers got there. Inhabited a portion of all of Jamaica, right? For anybody who come from Jamaica, particularly Kingston and St. Andrew, that area, you guys know the word ligani, right? Ligani, now reduced to a small commercial
Yo, shout out to Stacey Mack right here. Big up yourself.
area in Kingston and St. Andrew, but the Ligani plain is the whole plain that St. Andrew and Upper Kingston area is on, right? The name Ligani is Taino for iguana. Yes, it is. Well, the Taino people, a big source of food for the Taino was, guess what? Iguana. No lie, I can't make this up, you know. Because me the first one to say there's no way me and Yam got the ugly something. So people say, but I don't see no iguana in Jamaica. We have grown lizard and we have little green iguana and crook lizard and all kind of lizard, but no real iguanas per se. So that species of iguana, the Jamaican iguana, really doesn't exist in Jamaica that much. By 1940 it was thought to be extinct, but there were some species left.
Some education up on the thing, yo. Shout out to Stacey Mack, some education right here. Let's go. Niceness.
In the Hellshire Hills. Me still not up on the wild meat thing though, you know. Me no care. Curry, jerk, brown stew, me no business. It still not reach my table no time soon. And while at Jamaica we not eat them something, I also say that we must respect our commonalities. As Caribbean people, not so long ago, we were all coming from the same place. Just because my slave ship stopped at
Pause. All coming from the same, you know, transatlantic, you know?
a different port than your slave ship. Or if my ancestors came from India, China, Lebanon, Syria, wherever, the common thread still remains there. In the land, the very land, through the indigenous people of those same land, or individual islands and Caribbean countries, we all have the same common thread that binds us. We have to love and respect with one another and realize that is part of the beauty that makes us Caribbean people. Jamaica, me say, big up your island and your country, but do not ever forget that we gotta be in this thing together. Yeah?
How old are you?
I'm 22. I'm 22.
Do you think it's okay
Quick rundown on Gen Z.
to date a man for money?
Yes. Okay, but like he'll buy you stuff and all you have to do is him.
So you think good puss is enough to keep a man happy?
1,000? No, there's more. There's more. But like my job isn't to keep a man happy, it's his job to keep me happy. That's why I need a sugar daddy and I have one.
Why is it all about you though?
Because I'm a woman. Men already like have so many rights. Now it's like it's the girl's time to fucking shine.
You don't think 2024 is the best time to be a woman?
No, we just got our rights removed. Now it's the best time to be a fucking woman and stand the fuck up, because men are dicks.
So you don't think you need a man to survive in life or anything?
No, I have a $180K salary as a 22-year-old, and I have a bonus next week. I do not need a fucking man to be happy.
Yeah, but money is temporary. It comes and goes. What happens when you lose your job?
I can have 5 fucking boyfriends a week. I do not need one man to keep me happy.
When this conniving ex was secretly taking child support from 2 different fathers, the judge was appalled, but the DNA results set the record straight instantly.
This started about 2 years ago. I started paying child support, $75 for this baby, and I never knew if she was mine or not. We never took a DNA test. We tried to, but it didn't go through.
Don't you have to get a DNA before you can be put on child support?
We went
You
together.
didn't show up to court twice.
It was once.
So hold on, you paying child support for this baby?
Yes. Thousands of dollars.
But you say you've never had a DNA test.
No.
And that's because you had a court date.
And he missed.
and
missed
you missed
the court date.
So you were named
And
the
they
father by
established
default.
return. Yes.
Yep.
That's how it works.
But after that happened, we had tried to get it all situated out by trying to get 2 tests done with this court.
I can actually look in my court records and see you had a court date on my docket for last year. Ms. Middlebrooks didn't show up.
No.
Right, because I prefer to do this outside of this.
So tell me about the nature of your relationship with Mr. Portis. Were you boyfriend and girlfriend?
We started talking first and then eventually started dating. It happened fast.
But when she got pregnant, we stopped talking. So like we weren't talking at the time that she got pregnant. Like we weren't talking because I found out that she had another boyfriend.
Hold on. Who was with you at the birth?
My ex was. He stepped up.
Oh wait,
But she wasn't messing with the ex, though.
Yes. When I had her, yes, he was there.
So he was away, and then by the time you had the baby, he was home.
Yes.
And he was at the hospital.
Yes.
Mr. Portis, what I want to know is your truth. Why weren't you there at the birth? Why?
Her ex that she was dealing with had contacted me on Facebook.
Okay. And what did he say?
He was basically saying like, yo, Brian, Jasmine, does she have you on child support and stuff like that? And I'm like, yeah, she does. She's been having me on child support. He was like, well, that's crazy because I'm taking care of her too. So it's just like an imbalance here.
Was there some point where you told Mr. Portis that he was not the biological
No, I never told him he was not the dad, ever.
Did she ever tell you you were not the dad, Mr. Portis?
Yes, Your Honor. She told me that I wasn't the biological father. She told me to stay out their life. Don't talk to her. Don't be in Ava's life. Don't do none of that.
I told you if you're gonna jump in and out, you might as well stay away.
Mr. Portis, you are not the father.
Thing in a relationship, because if you can't intimately satisfy your woman, then she gonna go around the corner or next door. You know what I'm saying? We out here looking for love. She seems like she needs some guidance. You know, she can't recognize a prize. You know, so obviously she make a lot of bad decisions. How many kids do you have?
I'm done all that.
How many kids do you have?
I'm not here to answer.
Don't make me angry. You wouldn't like me when I'm angry.
If she fucked 300 men in her past, and when you fucked, it was tight.
I'm listening.
And you didn't get no diseases.
I'm listening.
And you didn't get nothing, no consequences from you fucking somebody who fucked 300 people.
I got you.
Okay?
Want to break it down for you?
Why does it matter to you?
Are you asking a question?
That's a question, sir.
Every nigga in this motherfucking room done hit, including my homie in the wheelchair, and they all can tell me how my woman's insides feel. And here I am empowering you. Here I am pouring into you.
Okay.
Here I am investing in you.
Okay.
Here I am enabling you.
Okay.
I'm paying top dollar in energy, effort, and value to some cat that you gave to stand for some Waffle House and some Hennessy. I'm cool. If you sold it to them for a goddamn Texas bacon cheese steak, then why the hell I gotta buy a fucking house? Why the hell I gotta be a stepdaddy to your kids? Why the hell I gotta invest in your business? Why the hell I gotta promote your business? Why the hell I gotta do all this shit when you giving this cat? Obviously it ain't got no value if you're giving it away for a All-American special. Back to the Waffle House.
You ain't never gonna forget the day you let the best thing that's ever gonna happen to you walk the fuck out the door.
You trying to do what? Oh, I forgot you asked me that earlier. Yeah, he out of school. I just picked him up too. No, he not going on. You just need his login? Like the okay.
I'll log in.
He said, can he something about the login so he could what is called?
To my Chromebook. He trying to do my work.
No, he not trying to do work. He wanted to know if you could let him log in to play 2K. I told him, yeah, earlier. I forgot to ask him when you got in the car.
No.
So, yeah.
No. He a grown man. He ain't got 135.
What?
He's a grown man. He ain't got 135.
Hey.
So you call him a grown man, babe, and he ain't even got 135 to pay for a 2K. But he let a kid get it before him.
Hey. Babe, give me a second. Hold on.
Yo, you gotta like the kids, man. Stand your ground, bro.
They is diabolical.
Hey, why you always do that when I'm on the phone? Like, embarrass me? Like, you
want to know, you stop calling him babe, because for him, it stands for broke. And you know that.
But here's the thing. I just simply asked you to let the man use your login.
The man not using my login. I'm not giving my login to no grown man who can go pay $135 for a game. So you like broke dudes, basically.
No, I was just...
You like broke dudes, basically.
He couldn't get the game yet. He couldn't get the game yet, so can he...
Okay, how he couldn't get the game yet? He ain't got it?
I guess.
He ain't got it?
I didn't ask that much. She asked could he use yours.
So you take time out your life to help a man who don't even got $135. So what he gonna take you on a date?
So you're not gonna do it?
No. I mean, that tell him no.
Hello? Yeah, he don't have it. I thought he had the game.
Oh, I
he
got
don't
it.
have
You just not getting it, partner. Okay. And go on somewhere if you ain't got 135. We don't need you over here.
Okay, I'm gonna call you back.
She ain't calling you back.
Bye.
Promise you that.
Oh, you got a fine boy here.